going to I'm going to build a prototype. A prototype will help me see if my design will work. Now, one of the things that I've noticed is that actually the ruler would be a very good size prototype. So I'm going to line up the edge of my ruler with the edge of the bit of paper. And then I'm going to draw my line. And cut out my piece of paper. Now I know my slide is going to need a base to support it, so I'm going to use my original piece of paper. I'm going to attach my prototype to the paper using sellotape. Like that. And now I've got my prototype, so I can test the angle of my slide. Oh, that's too steep. That's not steep enough. I think something like that will do. So again, I'll fold this over and sellotape that. I've built a prototype of a slide to test whether my design for a slide would work. Now, I have to support it a little bit because the paper isn't strong enough to hold the weight of the Lego figure. If it's supported, this very simple design would work. So, all I'm going to have to do now is think about how I can take this simple design and make it stronger. So let's try out a few things. First, I'm going to use the same design. So I'm going to use the same width. Line that up. My first idea was, if one piece of paper doesn't work, I wonder what would happen. Could I make it stronger by folding the paper over? So let's have a look. Fold it once. Put it next to my original design and join it in exactly the same way. What's this? Under here. See, there's my prototype and there's another design, and actually that works beautifully. When I've folded the paper over and there are more layers of the paper, my slide now works perfectly. Now I don't need to make it out of paper. than the paper because it is thicker. I can use this as my base. Put my prototype there so we can kind of match it up, and again I'll fold a bit of it over. Sellotape it down, lift it up, fold it there, fold it here like that. There you go, a very simple slide. Actually, it works. I've got 3 designs. I've got my initial prototype that wasn't strong enough, the folded paper that was, the card that was, cardboard that is too. One of the things that would definitely improve this slide is if it had some sides. Let's look at this down. Let's fold it. And put this. This, and there you go. My slide now has sides, so my Lego figure will not fall off.